got the whole thing taken apart. I've got it sitting upside down. I couldn't get these out of the top just because I test lit it. I've got this expanded metal, so I think I'm going to lay that in there, tack weld it in, tamp this cable down real good, and pour the refractory and put this in there so that it has something to grab onto. I got my expanded metal tacked in there, taped over the bottom of the burners. It's going to give me about that much lip, so hopefully that'll be enough for refractory in there. So I'm going to do some math, mix some refractory. Probably pour that here shortly. So refractory mixed up. Poured into the top of the forge. Guess we'll let that dry for a day and see what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, next day. Seems to have set up pretty good. So we're gonna, same situation on the sides. Put some expanded metal in, tack that in there, and pour refractory like the top. Okay, get the refractory on the right side of the forge. So I guess we get to let that sit for a day. Spray this with some BHT. It looks pretty good. So to help me set that refractory a little quicker, I've got my small forge, a bunch of fire bricks lined up. I want to pour this tonight, so trying to get that to set up a little bit better than it was, a little quicker. I don't want to do it too much, but I don't want to crack it. But it seems to be working pretty good. Okay, so I've got these walls cast in, and apparently I overdid a little bit because now my fire bricks won't fit in there. So I decided to use all the scrap bits of fire brick that I've broken over the years to fill up space. Put some of that refractory in between them, and I'm gonna mix the rest of the stuff I got. I hope I have enough. A real thin slurry type deal, and float it all in there and covered it. I hope that works. Okay, bottom's cast in. We're gonna let that sit overnight. It's getting pretty close to being done. Looks like the refractory is set up pretty good. When I cast the refractory in here, got the walls a little thick. Now my fire brick doesn't want to fit in there. And I think I really still want to line the bottom of this with 3 fire bricks. So I think I'm going to try and trim just the end of it off. The angle grinder, I guess. Certainly going to use the respirator when I do so.